1990 GMC 4.3 fuel injected V6. One of my guys that works here, he's hiding his face. Shall we put you on camera or no? Hey, you're not supposed to cuss. Don't put him on camera. He's too ugly anyways. Anyways, 1990 4.3 liter GMC S15, as you guys can see. Lower, got a little bit of style. Just a little swag. Anyways, as you guys can see, look, from just looking under it, look what we did. High flow cat, 3-inch pipe into a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. There'll be a link in the description for both, there and there. And then 3-inch pipe dumped right before the rear axle because he's going lower. He's probably gonna take these blocks out next. I would make it lower. Why not? Easy to make these lower. So, as you guys can see, it's 3-inch system with Flow FX and a high flow cat. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. There's that scrawny pipe that was on it and a muffler and stuff. The scrap guy where you took all that. So, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner with that 3-inch pipe. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and do all you guys do. Give me 1 second, boss. Look at that. Much better. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99. That sounds good. Go ahead and back it out. Good looking truck. Let you guys hear on the inside.